Booking.com refund not received. How to check refund status. In order to check refund status on Booking.com, what you have to do is launch Booking.com first of all. Once you launch Booking.com, from the bottom, select the option called Bookings. Here you will see a list of all the bookings that you might have made. If you'd like, or maybe you have applied for a refund before, you'll find that particular property here and you can choose to request a refund and you'll find the status of your refund. If you did not receive your refund even after a couple of days, try to contact the travel provider. You'll find the travel provider details on this page where you have made your booking. If that doesn't help, the only solution remains is to contact the customer support. So what we're going to do is, we're going to select the question mark icon from the top right hand side. From here we will select Get Help with a Booking. And here you can select the category and you can enter your confirmation number and your PIN code of your booking. Then select Continue. It will check if there is any booking with that particular info and you'll be able to request a refund for that certain booking. This way you can check refund status on Booking.com. Hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.